Hey guys, it's Kyrie, and today we're talking Go Vegan with Shamar. So I'm here with Shamar in Rod's apartment.
Hey, that's you, y'all.
And we're gonna make some amazing vegan food today. So Shamar, what are we making?
We are making sweet potato black bean burgers, mac and cheese, and chipotle pasta.
Okay, I'm super excited. I have never tried any of these recipes, so it's going to be a first time for me and for our friends who are going to try it with us. So what is the process? What's step one?
Well, step one is to preheat the oven.
Okay.
You want to make sure you have your ingredients laid out.
Okay.
And then you want to boil the water for the chickpeas and the black beans. And while that's going on, you have your sweet potatoes in the oven, and then you can start making your cheese for your mac and cheese.
Perfect. So what are we preheating the oven to?
450.
450. All right. So while we get the oven ready, the ingredients for our recipes are as follows.
All right. So starting off, we're gonna make the sweet potato black bean burger.
Okay.
And we have our sweet potatoes, at least 3 to 4 ounces per sweet potato.
Okay.
We're gonna make one burger per 3 to 4 ounces.
Okay.
And then we have half a cup of chickpeas, half a cup of black beans, and a quarter cup of cilantro. First, we're gonna take the sweet potatoes and throw them in our preheated oven at 450.
All right. Does it matter what?
Nope.
Okay.
Top, bottom, left to right. Just keep them in the center.
All right. And how long are those going to be in there?
For 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay. Perfect.
And make sure though, before you put the sweet potatoes in the oven, you put holes in them. That
Okay.
way it'll cook a little faster and smoother for you.
Cool, cool, cool. All right. So now that the water has come to a boil, we're going to.
In Rod's apartment.
Yes. Now that they have come to a boil in Rod's apartment, we're going to pour in the chickpeas and the black beans. Okay.
Yes.
And how long are they going to cook for?
Well, the chickpeas are going to cook for 20 minutes.
Okay.
And you bring the water down to a medium high.
Okay.
And with the black beans, it'll be like 35 to 40 minutes because they're harder. So you want to bring that down to like a high medium 6 area because you want those to still be in the boiling temperature range.
Perfect. So while the chickpeas and the black beans are cooking, we're going to get started on the cheese sauce, right?
Yes.
Okay, so which ingredients are going into the cheese sauce?
It is unsweetened almond milk
Okay.
and tapioca flour,
Okay.
nutritional yeast, a little bit of garlic and Himalayan salt, and other stuff that I can't disclose at this time because I know you value your arm.
Secret spices. Okay, so while we let the chickpeas, the beans, and the cheese sauce start to heat up and finish cooking, I did want to talk a little bit about what we're doing today. So it was Go Vegan, and that's actually your brand. I want you to tell our audience a little bit about what it is, what you do.
Well, pretty much my brand is all about helping those transition into a plant-based diet. And for those who have certain illnesses who have to change up their diet. So I just provide the type of meals that you're used to in American style and with vegetables and fruits.
Oh, okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So how do people get in contact with your company, and how do they, start moving towards that plant-based lifestyle?
Well, you can contact me on my phone number via, you want me to just give it out?
Yeah, you can.
Sure. 757-977-5110, and you can follow me on Instagram at GoVegan757. Same thing on Facebook, and yeah, that's how you can contact me.
Awesome.
We do, I do meal preps, 3 days, 5 days, catering events, whatever. It doesn't matter.
Tell us a little bit about why you went vegan.
Okay. Well, actually, it started with my mom. She was going through fighting cancer and all that good stuff, and I was doing research on the ways I can try and help her, more holistic way.
And so, since we are here in Rod's apartment.
Hello.
We wanted Rod to get a chance to talk a little bit about what's going on in his life and the new song he just released, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have a song on Soundcloud out. You can find me at DaydreamerSP, and the song I put out yesterday is called Clock In, and I think y'all are really going to enjoy it. It's for everybody.
Awesome. Thank you, Rod.
You're welcome.
So, what's our next step?
We are going to make the sauce for the chipotle pasta.
Perfect. Can I mix it?
Yes, you can.
All right. So, what am I putting in it?
You are putting in chipotle mayonnaise,
Okay.
vegan mayonnaise.
Okay.
And then we got chipotle seasoning, agave, Dijon mustard, and Himalayan salt.
All right. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The chickpeas and the black beans have finished cooking, so we took those off the stove and we just added 2 pots of water, and that's to cook our pasta. Our sweet potatoes also just finished, so we took those out, and Shamar's going to show you what to do after that.
Alright, so now we're at the point where we have the sweet potatoes finished, chickpeas, black beans, cilantro all laid out. So at this moment, I'm going to take and depeel the sweet potatoes as everything else cools down. And after that's finished cooling down, the sweet potatoes and the black beans, I'm going to mash it all together.
Okay, so we drained our pasta and we have it here on the stove. We're about to add the sauces to their respective pastas. So the Chipotle sauce is going to go on our fasuli pasta, and then the cheese sauce is going to go on our gluten-free mac, right?
Yep.
All right. Okay, so we mixed in both of the sauces to our pasta, and now because our chef Shamar has mixed in some secret ingredients, I'm going to let him take it away with what we do next with the black.
Alright, thank you very much for that. So now we have everything laid out. So, excuse me, usually we want to have gloves on for this process, but we just kind of underhanded, so I'm going to take off my ring because it's about to get real down and dirty.
But your hands are clean.
Well, my hands are clean. They're wizards, we wash them. So, here we go. Chickpeas, black beans, a little cilantro, and I'm going to do everything over here. And patty number 1 going down.
All right.
Sweet.
All right, so Chef Shamar just finished up on the stove, and we finally plated all of our food. We have our mac and cheese here, our sweet potato and black bean burger here, and our chipotle pasta on the side, and we're gonna go taste it.
Dun 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 for you.
All right, so it's time to taste test. We're gonna start off with our burger, okay? Here we go. Should we like cheers? We should cheers.
Cheers.
Rob's apartment.
Delicioso.
It's really nice. It's really nice.
Great.
The beans are cooked really well, and I like the sweetness of the sweet potato.
Sweet potato, the combination.
Now, I love cilantro. I know not everybody likes cilantro, so I'm assuming that you could probably switch this with basil if you wanted to, but the flavors are really good. All right, so now let's do the chipotle pasta.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Good too.
That's really good too.
I'm going vegan.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's got that kick.
It does. It has a
kick.
really nice kick. And there's a subtle sweetness in there as well, which I really enjoy. And
It's that secret.
Rob.
They're great. They're great.
All right, last but not least, mac and cheese. Let's do it, y'all.
Mac and cheese. Mac and not so cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
Flavor is really good.
Mm-hmm.
And once again has this kick to it, which I really enjoy. Yeah, so really great. Thank you for coming and teaching me these awesome recipes, and thank you for letting us use your apartment.
Well, cooking for me. This is great.
So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna leave their information in the description box below. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, be sure to leave them in the comments. I want to thank Shamar and go ahead and plug GoVegan 757.
Yeah.
And don't forget to check out Rob's new single. And we just appreciate it. Have a great day, guys. Bye. We're gonna make some amazing vegan food, but we are